Imagine you're in a game show and you have 3 doors in front of you. 2 of them consist of goods, while one consists of $1 million. The host of the show asks you to choose a door randomly, and let's assume you chose door number 1. The host, who knows the door behind which there are $1 million, opens up one of the other 2 doors. Let's say door number 3, which contains a goat. Now the host asks you $1 million question, literally. Do you want to stick to the door number 1 which you chose initially, or you want to switch? What would you do? Welcome to this unique problem that you will get to know about today. And do click that like button if you're interested in the solution. This situation was highlighted in the famous game show called Let's Make a Deal, whose host was a man called Monty Hall. There was no strategy to this situation at the time. Later on, when the best strategy was revealed, this sparked an endless debate amongst mathematicians and scientists. So what should you do in this situation? Switch. Always switch. You should choose door number 2. Now most of you watching would probably not switch, because when you see only 2 doors with one containing the price, you think that there is a 50-50 chance of winning the pot. And psychologically, you're more confident that the random choice you made earlier to pick door number 1 could work out. But let's take it from the start. There is an equal 1 out of 3 probability that the $1 million are behind door number 1, which you chose. But when you know that door number 3 does not have the price, it is incorrect to assume that the probability is now 50-50. When you choose door number 1 with 1/3 of the probability, that means that there is 2/3 probability of the price being in one of the other 2 doors. And when door 3 was eliminated, that 2/3 probability got concentrated on door 2. So that now is twice likely to have the $1 million than your original choice. So always switch. Let's think of this from another perspective. Visualize the same problem with 50 doors. You chose door number 1 at the start, and the host reveals all doors except 21, which does not have the price. So now there is 1 in 50 chance that the price is behind door number 1, or there is a 49 out of 50 chance that the price is behind door number 21. Switching now makes much more sense. It is a much easier way to visualize on a larger scale than on a smaller one. Now there is no guarantee that you will always win by switching in this case. But if you play this situation over a few times, you are much more likely to win the jackpot. Let's look at all the 9 possible outcomes in this case. If the price is behind door number 1 and you chose door number 1, then you stay. But if you chose door 2 or 3, you switch to win. Repeat this to the other 2 cases and you see that you win 6 out of 9 times. So the next time, do check the math behind the situation, because your gut might make you lose $1 million. Do subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about similar fun problems, and comment down if you have a suggestion. Thanks for watching.